Something I've always been obsessed with, maybe, too obsessed with, because I'm slightly crazy. People hate ads. They don't like ads. They hate it. No one wakes up and says, hey, you know what? I want to watch some ads. Your job as an advertiser is to make ads that people want to watch. That's just how it goes. And if you have to do it through a means whereby, if you have to use ads that they're already accustomed to, which is, by the way, my favorite type of ads, something like meme images or meme videos, or like already circulating type of contents in social media in like Facebook and Instagram, and you just take that same content and just edit it and then make it into an ad that just has a CTA to it, and just distribute as much of those type of ads in your campaigns as possible. You're going to find out that you have an exceedingly better result than when you go to Pinterest or Canva and, develop those kind of like, those kind of flyers. Those flyers are really boring. Like people just skip through it. Unless you have an amazing offer, then of course, don't get me wrong, then people are going to buy. Because people would literally buy anything if you have an amazing offer. But in a situation whereby you have just the same mundane offers as we all do, because let's be real, not all of us can come up with a wonderful offer. You might want to lean into more native ads, more like ads that don't look like ads that are just cool. Maybe that's what you should be looking for. Cool, funny, entertaining. That's it, right? For example, look at the way I talk in my videos. I mean, nobody really wants to look at a guy who has this kind of haircut and he's just like talking about ads. That's the most boring combination, but I have to do it, and I have to I put a smile on my face and make it sound interesting, even though it isn't. But yeah, that's the point. That's exactly the point, right? So have fun with that idea. If it doesn't work, you can sue me, but don't sue me. Yeah, definitely don't sue me, but it's gonna work because I've tested this particular scenarios myself time and time and again, and I've had multiple people tell me just from their experience that this just looks like an ad. Like, just don't run ads that look like an ad. Honestly, just don't do it. Okay, all right.